guys, welcome back. It's Thursday, April 16th. Today we're going to do some examples with the surface area of regular pyramids. Just a quick reminder, our quiz is coming up. It's next Tuesday, April 21st. I'll post the link on my website for you to do during the day. If you need help, come to office hours before you take the quiz. I'll remind you again tomorrow too. Come to the office hours on Tuesday at 1 o'clock or today at 1 o'clock, Thursday, and I'll help you before you take the quiz. Don't feel pressure to do the quiz without getting the proper amount of help that you need. So here's the warm-up for today. Pause the video, give it a shot, and then come back and we'll review. Okay, so this is the net of a regular pyramid. They've basically flattened out a regular pyramid so that you can find the area of each piece and then add up all the pieces together. You can see that this is a square pyramid. The base is a square, and there are 4 lateral face triangles that we need to find the area of. So I love how this picture is broken up into pieces. The center square is a 9 by 9 square. That means its area is 81. Now we need to take the area of one lateral face. 1/2 base times height. I hope we're getting the hang of taking the area of things quickly and efficiently. Base is 9, height is 12. Half of 12 is 6, and 6 times 9 is 54. So the area of one of these is 54. That means that all of these are 54. They're all the same size. They're all identical. So 54 times 4. And then plus that 81. The lateral faces, I'm going to abbreviate LF, lateral faces, was 216. And that base, which is capital B, is 81. All together is 297. Let's look at this next one. Sometimes they will give you the base area ahead of time. This question gives the base area. They told us that the area of this base is 43.3, which is nice. They took a step out for us. This pyramid is triangular. It has a triangle base, which means it has 3 lateral faces. So let's find the area of one. Triangles, 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base times the height. Half of 10 is 5, and 5 times 7 is 35. That makes all of these 35. So 35 times 3 is 105 for lateral faces, plus the base area that they gave us. I got 148.3. All right, let's do some practice. We're going to practice one of each type of regular pyramid that we're going to take the surface area of. Get some space to practice and practice with us. Here's the first one. All they gave us was this sentence that says, what is the surface area of a square pyramid with a base side length of 9 and a slant height of 7. So I drew myself a picture of the square base with the lateral faces height 7. It might be helpful for you to take it one step further and draw a square that's 9 by 9, and then to draw one of the lateral faces. It doesn't have to be perfect. You know that the height is 7 and that the base is 9, and there are 4 of these in the picture. All right. The area of the square is 81, 9 times 9. Then these are triangles, so I'm going to go 1/2 base times height. And you can go 9 times 7 is 63. And half of that is 31.5. But like we said before, there are 4 of these. So we need to multiply by 4. And I got 126. Now we've got all the parts. Now we need to add the parts together. And if I add this one, the base with the 4 lateral faces, I'm going to get 207 square centimeters. All right, one more. Let's look at this one. It says, what is the surface area of the regular pyramid? This pyramid has 2 triangles. Right? It has a triangular base. It also has triangular lateral faces. Try this one out. I think it's very helpful to draw the parts off to the side. So I've got the base, which is a triangle. It sits on the base right here. It's 6, and then the height of the triangle is 5.2. There's also some faces. They're triangles. Their heights are 10, right? This height is 10. Its base is also 6. There are 3 of these in the picture. All right, next we got to find the area of each part. 1/2 base times height. Half of 6 is 3, and 3 times 5.2 is 15.6. Next one for our faces, I've got 1/2 the base and the height. Half of 6 is 3, and 3 times 10 is 30. But like we said before, there are 3 of these, so we'll need to multiply. 90. Now that we've got our pieces, we're going to add up the pieces together. 90 plus 15.6 is 105.6 square feet. It's helpful to draw some additional pictures to go along with 3-dimensional shapes. Think of it like a composite shape. Cut up the composite shape into pieces you know how to take the area of. Then add up all the areas together and you'll have surface area. Make sure to get help when you need it. Make sure to ask questions when you need to. And I'll see you tomorrow.